welcome to my channel. Today I just got my Boxycharm premium box for the month of March 2021. So I'm excited to share with you what I got in my box this month. And I did try on most of these products to share my first impressions with you. I could not get the prices for the pop-up store because the pop-up store isn't open yet. So I can only give you the box, the retail value. But anyways, this box month is lucky, really cute for St. Patrick's Day. And the first product I got is like a double product. It is the Caprice, I believe that's how you say it, Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer plus Shimmer Palette Set. And this retails for $145, which is crazy. This comes with like an eye primer plus serum. I did use this today. I may have used too much because I noticed my liner running, but it just comes in a dropper and it is just like an illuminating eye serum. I put it underneath my eyes and I put it on my eyelids to use as a primer. It's kind of thick and a lot comes out of the pumper. It does have a kind of a scent, not a pleasant scent. Not terrible either, but not great. It's not super strong though. But here's the little palette it came with. And it is all shimmer shades, and they're all kind of like topper shades. I did use it today. It was nice. It kind of reminds me of like a palette you would buy at Sephora, like the Sephora brand palettes. I could see people who wear makeup like they're not obsessed with YouTube makeup world. They just wear makeup on an everyday basis. I could see people really enjoying this. Before I started watching YouTube, I never wore mattes. I would just put like one or two shimmers in my eyes and call it a day. So I could see, I could see this being liked by a lot of people. And I did get a pretty look with using it. But the $145 price tag for these two items, I feel like is very, very like crazy. I would never pay $145 for these two items, but it's not bad getting them in the box. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it, but they're nice. So the next product is something I chose, which this is probably the best item in the box that in my opinion, is the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which retails for $35. This is a really nice hydrating primer. I used it today. I think it's just nice. It makes your skin feel nice. It has a nice light scent. This has been a cult favorite for years for good reason. It's a really nice primer. So I'm happy to get this. The next product I got is from Rowan Beauty. It's called Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. And this is in the shade Charlie. So it's a nice neutral shade. I'm wearing it right now. It's like right, this color is right up my alley. Really nice packaging. I do really enjoy the packaging. And it has a really minty scent. And it has a really nice applicator. And here's the color. Really pretty, really nice gloss. I think it's nice. I think it's nice to get this in a box. Okay, I got a brush set. This is from Beauty Diva London. It's a Diva Eye Brush Set, which retails for $48. So it comes with 4 brushes in this orange color. Kind of interesting. Like you got an angled liner brush, like a slanted blending brush. This is kind of like a smudge brush and a pointed like blender brush. And like I said, I used this today. I thought it worked fine, and I got it. They work just fine. So could always use brushes because I'm terrible about washing them. So more the merrier. I'm happy to get brushes. This is a product I didn't try yet. It's from IGX, Pen Up Instant Spray Hair Mask, which retails for $32. So I was really interested about the product. Didn't quite know what it is. But it is an in-shower treatment. So it performs like a traditional hair mask. What you do is you wash your hair, shampoo it first, rinse out the shampoo, like kind of wring out your hair, and then you spray this in your hair. and use it as like a conditioning mask and leave it in your hair for a couple minutes and rinse it out. So like I said, I haven't tried it yet. I am happy to get hair care products, especially like a conditioning product because I have really dry hair, you know, bleached hair, so I could use all the moisture and conditioning I could get. The only thing with having it in a spray bottle like this, my concern is I'm not going to get much use out of it, but we will see. I'm not going to be too hard on it because I didn't try it yet, but I did hear this brand is a really good brand, like a high-end hair care brand. So looking forward to trying this out. The last product I got is a repeat. I got one of these before in a past box. Is a Dose of Colors Block Party Single Shadow, and I got mine in the shade Reflection. I forget which one I got. I want to say I got like Diva or something in the past. So these shadows retail for $20. It's just a single, and it's kind of interesting. It's not really like a shimmer. It feels like a matte with glitter in it. So it's, I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of this formula, honestly. If I'm gonna get a single like this with glitter in it, I would expect something like a cream shadow or a super shimmer shadow or something like, I don't know, it's just not, I'm not crazy about it. I did use it and I put it in my outer corner and I ran along my lower lash line, and I did think it complemented the look, but I'm not crazy about these. And I remember when they first came out, everyone was talking how expensive these little shadows were. And I remember Kathleen Lights raving about these, but I don't think they're anything special for $20, honestly. But we'll see. I'll try to get some use out of it. So that is it for my box, and it retails for $306, and the premium box is $35 a month. So overall, I am happy with this box. But I do want to mention, I did recommend Boxycharm to one of my coworkers, and she got her first box and she was highly disappointed because she got the Ace Beauty, that, you know, the one colorful palette we just got, and it's really pretty palette. The shadows are beautiful, they're really pigmented, but they're very bold colors. And she was like, I don't understand why they gave this to me because I would never wear these colors. And that's the thing about getting Boxycharm. They're not super personalized. Like, yes, you get to choose items out of your box, but you're going to get items you don't like. You're going to get colorful eyeshadows. You're going to get neutral eyeshadows. And I feel like they're not going to please everybody. So just keep that in mind if you don't have Boxycharm and you're interested. It is a gamble. And for me, I'm a makeup collector, makeup hoarder. Even if something isn't like my particular taste, I could appreciate the makeup, because I have like an obsession with makeup. And I don't know, I just enjoy looking at my eyeshadow palettes and organizing them and swatching them, you know. I know it's weird, but so for me to get something that I wouldn't particularly love and use on a daily basis is different than somebody who's not in the YouTube world, who gets something like that, who has no desire to use any of the shades. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking about signing up for Boxycharm. But I said my piece. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to like and subscribe. I do Boxycharm unboxings every month. I will be getting my Boxy Luxe soon, and as soon as I get that, I'll show you guys what I got. Okay guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.